Hello everyone. If you're into hiking or trail running, you've probably run into this problem. You have a GPX file. You know where to go, but know nothing about what it means. You dig around the internet, but every tool you tried either gives you nothing more than a simple line on a map, locks useful features behind a subscription, or quietly uploads your route to somewhere. And the data that actually matters outdoors, elevation gain, vert, grade, climbs, descents, and key points along the trail, is buried 3 menus deep. So, with some help from AI, I built my own. This is Trailscope, a free, open-source, fully client-side GPX analysis tool built for hikers and trail runners. No account, no subscription, no server uploads, no data collection. Everything runs locally on your own device, even offline. Using it is simple. Drag and drop a GPX file into the import area. Click the Import button to select your file, or hit Demo to load an example track. Within seconds, you get a complete route analysis. First, the interactive map. Choose from multiple map sources. Then visualize your route with color-coded elevation or grade overlays. Steep climbs, sustained grades, and high elevation sections immediately stand out. Your waypoints are displayed directly on the map too. Tap any waypoint to check distance, elevation, and details for aid stations, viewpoints, water sources, resupply points, or any other important location. The map also comes with an elevation profile, probably the most important feature for understanding a route. Hover over the chart or swipe across it to inspect distance, elevation, and grade at any point. Zoom with your scroll wheel, drag to pan, switch between elevation and grade coloring, and export the profile as an image. Perfect for sharing with your hiking group or even printing it on a t-shirt. You can also expand the map and elevation profile into a full-screen view with an option to follow the cursor or explore them independently. Next comes the detailed route stats. Total distance, elevation gain and loss, maximum and minimum elevation, average grade, uphill and downhill breakdown. All the numbers that actually matter when you're planning a day in the mountains. And here's one feature I personally love. You can switch between raw elevation data and smoothed elevation gain. Because GPS position and barometric sensors are noisy, and sometimes your watch claims you've climbed a ridiculous amount of vert. If you've ever looked at your activity record and thought, there is no way I climbed that much, you know exactly why this matters. A quick note about units. In 1983, Air Canada Flight 143, the famous Gimli glider, nearly ran out of fuel because pounds and kilograms were confused during refueling. When it comes to outdoor planning, units matter. So Trailscope includes one-tap unit switching. Every number on the page instantly updates with your preferred units. Below the map and elevation profile, there are 3 smart analyzers. First, route difficulty. Trailscope combines distance, elevation gain, and grade into a single score from 0 to 100 with a difficulty label ranging from a casual backyard trip to an epic expedition, because the numbers tell the story. Second, time and fitness requirements. Using Naismith's rule with additional steep terrain correction, Trailscope estimates total duration, average pace, calorie burn, and required fitness level. Of course, these are estimates only. Your actual time depends on your fitness, experience, terrain conditions, weather, and how often you stop to enjoy the view. Third, safety considerations. Long distance, big elevation gain or loss, steep climbs, high altitude are automatically analyzed. Trailscope highlights potential challenges and gives you an overall safety concern level. Then comes weather analysis. Enter temperature, humidity, wind speed, and weather condition. Trailscope combines them with the route's elevation profile to provide gear recommendations and action advice. In advanced mode, you can also enter additional information to estimate WBGT, a real-world heat stress index. For summer trail running and exposed mountain routes, this can be extremely useful. Once you know the route and the weather, your packing list becomes much easier. Trailscope helps estimate essential gear, recommended equipment, water requirements, food and snacks. Just prepare your kit the night before and adjust it based on your pace, fitness level, and available resupply points. Finally, we have section analysis. You can split your route in 3 different ways: by grade sections, by 1 kilometer or 1 mile intervals, or by waypoints. Each section includes distance, elevation gain and loss, grade, estimated time, and difficulty. Click on any section and that exact section highlights on both the map and elevation profile. Want to study that brutal climb that destroyed you last time? Just click it. TrailScope is a pure front-end project without back-end dependency. The entire application is open source. Stars, suggestions, issues, and pull requests are always welcome. You can even fork it and build your own version. Links in the video description. If you enjoy hiking or trail running, load your own GPX track into TrailScope. You might be surprised by what your route is really hiding. Thanks for watching. See you on the trail.